Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like it's had a very nice move recently, hasn't it, on the chart. You can see all of our analysis that has been on this chart for a long time now. very long time indeed. I don't know why this MACD is always messed up on the chart. You feel like it would revert to neutral, but it just isn't reverting to neutral. But you can see here on the chart, Vechain obviously having a very decent bounce off the lows recently, with that very long prolonged area of consolidation that I did think was very good to see. Obviously resistance support. Really the whole market was starting to stabilize quite considerably down at around that 90% correction area for Vechain, and basically most cryptos were looking like that, weren't they, to be fair. But then with the FTX collapse, as I've said numerous times, we came down and lost the swing low, didn't we? We formed this descending wedge formation as well, which is actually quite a good reversal pattern. Got some bullish divergences at the low. We've got the breakout, and then ever since the new year, we've had a very nice little bullish move for the markets in general, haven't we? We come all the way back up into the resistance, the previous level of support as resistance. We got a bit of a rejection in this area here, but then you can see here the market's actually reversed again. We came back inside the range, back tested it, and you can see here we've had a very nice consolidation inside the range here. We came back down into this area where I actually added another long position on top of the long position I had here. So I had two long positions in this area. They ran up and got in, and basically in a few days after that, the take profit at the previous swing high where we formed that descending wedge, that was where my take profit was. You can see it quite clearly. Got filled on that. Very nice little trade. Just coming back inside the range, and then as I've said numerous times, when you're inside a range, I always trade the range until it breaks. So basically, if we hit the support, I'm longing, and if we hit the resistance, I'm shorting until we see a clean breakout in either direction. But as you can see here, things really going very well for Vechain over the past few days, to be honest. A very nice move to the upside, cleanly breaking above that previous swing high. So making a higher high at the minute, which is interesting because we haven't done that in a long time for Vechain. So ever since we were all the way back here at around 8 or 9 cents. You can see we were in a downtrend and we got that higher high, and we're in the same situation here. You can see the downtrend, and we've actually come up and made a higher high again. So if we could make that higher low, even in the range like this, higher high, higher low, higher high, that would be really good to see for Vechain, wouldn't it? Obviously the markets at the minute have been looking pretty damn bullish in general. I'm keeping my head screwed on. Obviously I don't think this is a bull market per se as of yet, but we are having a bearish period right now. I mean a bullish period right now, sorry, within this bearish overall trend that we still are seeing, really. Obviously most cryptos are showing signs of life. You can see clearly here Vechain has broken out of one of its bear market resistances, just like a lot of cryptos have, which is really cool to see, isn't it? Obviously we love to see that, but I am keeping my head screwed on. I don't think we're particularly in a bull market just yet. I need to see more signs of Bitcoin really getting into a bull market first, because obviously that is leading the market still overall. But if we're just taking a quick look at Vechain in a bit more granular detail today, we can see realistically it's had a breakout of that previous swing high, and now looking like it is back testing that area. And looking like really it is kind of, you know, you can see these wicks to the upside and the downside. A little bit of indecision in the market right now as to where we're going next. If we just take a quick look at the hourly time frame, you'll be able to see this in a bit more detail. You can see we've been going, you know, higher high, higher low, nice little uptrend like this for Vechain, and now really looking like we've maybe come into a little bit of a consolidation area. Some people saying that this is a little bit of a head and shoulders on Twitter. If we lost this low, obviously we'd probably come back down into the range quite considerably, in my opinion. That is probably fairly likely to say. I'd say, considering as well with the daily time frame bearish divergence that is forming like this, I do think we could see the overextension into the top of the range there. Obviously looking like we're getting stuck under the 023 currently Fibonacci level. But as I said before, really I'll just be trading this range until it breaks. I'm not looking to take any trades right now. I'm waiting until we hit the resistance at the top of the range here. At the zip, basically what is this at? 3.4 cents. Or taking long positions down here anywhere from around 2.1 to 2.2 cents as well. Really that is all that I'm waiting for right now, guys. You can see here on the chart that we have had a nice little run recently, but really I'm just waiting to see with more confirmation what's happening next before I make any moves in regards to trades with Vechain. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to the private Discord where I'm hanging out most days along with other investors. It's a cool way to help support the channel, and everyone in there is just chatting about cryptocurrency, etc., so you can get a little bit of an edge on the market. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, as always, and I'll see you in the next video.